Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am John Stera, and in this video we're gonna chill and repot this elephant ear. So sit back, relax, and enjoy my struggle trying to figure out a better way to make this stand up. We're gonna go ahead and try to pot this, repot it. I guess what's happening is it's already floating out, so I'll just see how it's doing. I shouldn't have submerged it, but I let the kids take the other one. So this is where it's, I want these to stay. Okay. So what I'm gonna do is get some of this out. And this is where it was sitting. So I'm gonna give it more space. I'm pretty sure the perlite is and the stuff is floating at the top. So I'm gonna give it more room lower. So simple enough. I'm just gonna put it over here. Oh, please stay with me. You're very delicate. That's where it was sitting. I guess even lower. Hopefully it will be stronger lower. That's the hope. These, on the other hand, are gonna need to be raised or something somehow. Some of the lighter stuff. Some of the siltier stuff. Here's my extra soil. Nice dry mix. Trying to get these guys a little higher. There's so much perlite, it's not gonna stay still. I wanted to let you know that there's an update coming up after this. If not, I either link it or I put it, in the cards. And so I want you to see what happens. So I repotted this in January, and I'm giving you the update here in April. All right, thank you very much. See ya.